Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove a Toyota Highlander headlight. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged. Once prepared, open the hood and carefully locate the headlight assembly you intend to remove. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and safe process for the upcoming steps. The next crucial step involves carefully loosening the front bumper cover. You'll need to remove several plastic clips and screws that secure the bumper to the vehicle's frame. Pay close attention to the areas around the wheel wells and the top grille. Once these fasteners are out, gently pull the bumper cover away from the fender on both sides. This action provides the necessary access to the lower mounting bolts of the headlight assembly, which are otherwise hidden. With the bumper cover sufficiently loosened, you can now access the headlight's main fasteners. There are typically 3 bolts holding the headlight assembly in place. Carefully unscrew these. After the bolts are removed, reach behind the headlight unit to disconnect all electrical connectors. These usually have small tabs that need to be pressed. Once disconnected, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out from its housing. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage. Now that the old headlight is out, take a moment to inspect it and prepare your new replacement. To install the new headlight, simply reverse the steps you just completed. Carefully slide the new assembly into its housing, reconnect all electrical connectors, and then secure it with the 3 bolts. Finally, reattach the bumper cover, ensuring all clips and screws are back in place. Before driving, always test your new headlight to confirm it functions correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.